Hey, hi, welcome to Varta coverage. Today's Varta coverage, we are going to give some tip about how to make money online. We are all going through a tough time due to COVID-19 pandemic situation. So, how we can make easy online money? That is something which we are going to give in this video. So, let's see. There are a couple of tips we are going to give in this. Basically, there are 10 tips we are going to tell in this video how to make money online. So the first tip is freelancing. Freelancing is some of the major concept where people are nowadays doing a freelancing job into different criteria. Whether you know coding, you can do coding, or you are a data entry expert, you can do that, or any other activity which you can do individually using as a consultant. You can do a freelance job. So whatever is you do as an industry expert or your area of work, you can do freelancing. If you are not doing any other permanent work, you can do freelancing. So based on your work, hourly work, based on the rates, the company can offer you good earning potential. The second tip we are going to give is the teaching online. Teaching online is one of the key aspect after the pandemic COVID situations, where many of the classes are gone on online now because of the COVID. So if you are a teacher, you are a subject expert, or if you are an industry expert, you know subject matter, you want to go online teaching, this is the best way to make money online. So teaching of any subject, so there are a lot of platforms which give you uh, teaching online, easy way to for any subject which you can download. There are some of the apps which may be costly, there could be some apps which is freely, or you can use this platform technology to make the freelancing and teaching online, so that we can make money online. The third one is the virtual assistantship. Virtual assistantship is one of the most effective way nowadays. People are earning potential money. In virtual assistant, you can do making calls, writing emails, corresponding, internet research, editing job, data entry job. So there are a lot of opportunities on virtual assistantship where you can do earn money. The fourth one is blogging. Blogging is one of the best way you can earn money. In blogging, if you know a subject, understand the subject very well, do some research on the subject, see how you can put the blog very well so that it gives attention to people, so that you can give more value to the people who watches the blog. So your coverage of the blog will have more people views, and then your blog will be listed properly, and you can earn money there as well. The next one is the fifth one is content writing. So content writing is one of the key aspect of the online work, which many companies are giving content work to outsource to people who can do freelance. They can take this work online and then earn money. Potentially in content writing, you get the rate as per word, sentence, also with languages. So depending on the languages, depending on the length of the character, you can earn content. Also the content writing, you have the quality of the contents, so that there is a different ways and means and earn money through content writing as well. So this is one of the best way to earn money through online at this time. People are already doing, many of the companies are offering content writing jobs. The next and sixth one is social media strategy management. So social media is one of the key platform where nowadays everybody is using, companies, individuals, everybody is using social media platform for making money through social media, networking, advertisements, blogging, everything you can do through social media. So this platform also will help to make people to make money. The next one is, the seventh one is web designing. So there are a lot of people who know how to make web designing, but there are a lot of companies required web designing online without having any specific permanent employee. So they can look at the contractual basis online web designing job. So if you are a potential candidate, you know web designing, you can do web designing as a part job. So you earn money online through web designing. There are a lot of people are looking online web designers. So if you have some experience of creating web designing for individuals, company, you can make money out there. The next one, the eighth one is translating. So translating is one of the best way of making money if you know multilingual language, where you can translate from one language to another and then make money. Though there are newer technology, Google translators and others, voice written internet of things are there, IoT based translators are there, but still there are people, manual translating jobs are available in the market. You can look for a company who are giving this translating job, multilingual language. That's an option, you can make money. The ninth tip is YouTube channel creator. Look at the way people, the YouTube paying money to multiple people who are YouTubers. So you create your own YouTube channel, you can publish your channel, you get the viewers, you get subscribed to that. So most of the people making money on the YouTube. So one of the key aspect of YouTube making money is you find what is actually what you're going to put in the YouTube. You need to do a little bit research. What are the content you're going to put it? Who are the viewers you are going to look for your channel, and how do you create those viewers? So you create that ambience. So you do some research and you can create a YouTube channel your own as an individual and make money. And there are a lot of advertisements comes to YouTube once your channel is visible and your channel get more viewers, and YouTube itself will start giving you money. The other one, the last one is the 10th tip is P2P lending. So peer-to-peer lending is nowadays one of the most effective way to make money. If you have a peer-to-peer lending process, you have some idea, you can create some ideation. So you can create wireframes, you can create any kind of solution through peer-to-peer lending process. Do some project and then probably establish that project with customer and make money through. So these are some of the key tips where you can earn money online at this pandemic situation. We are going to cover multiple other tips in the forthcoming video to how to make money. So please watch our channel, subscribe our channel, and wait for to see more effective way of making money, and then get benefited from our channel. Thank you for watching.